Similar to investing your lump sum savings in mutual or index funds, you can get your monthly savings to work for you through SIPs. However, the selection criteria are slightly different. Since an SIP is done over a longer period, usually a few years, you should not overemphasize upside potential since you cannot predict it for the future. Therefore, it is better to select good funds with different investing style which taken together give good upside potential. We may add a fund with an investing style different from the current recommended set in the future if and when we find it giving a reasonable upside. Everything in the SIP section is similar to that of mutual funds. Check the details as explained before. Once you are convinced, you set up the SIPs for equal amounts wherever you buy your direct plans. You also have the choice of doing an SIP in a portfolio of stocks recommended in Pro. All you have to do is add the SIP amount in the stock section and Pro will tell you the number of shares for each stock.